Shut up!
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built radios are automatically activated by the tone to warn you of impending weather hazards in central Arizona. Tests of these radios are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 6. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in your area Wednesday, this test will not be conducted. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service as possible, this warning alarm will only be activated for watches and warnings affecting Maricopa and Northwest Pinal counties. This concludes the test of the NOAA radio warning device. Here is the 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time observation for Phoenix on Wednesday, September 26th.
I think I caught it.
Saving.
Yeah, I don't know why it says that.